What's up guys, Astro here, back with another video. Today's video is an unboxing video. Today we're unboxing the MageGee MK Box gaming keyboard. Yeah, we're just gonna unbox this. I bought it off Amazon, and we're gonna see if it's worth it. So I got it for about $25, which is okay, I guess. But it has to sound like I wanted to sound. So it has this little flap. I'm gonna do that, and the link will be in the description. So if y'all want to see that, then yeah. So it comes with little keycaps. Pretty cool. Comes with like this little manual, I guess. And it comes with the USB. So I think it's USB-C, which is pretty good. The keycap holder, and the keyboard itself. Actually, I got it this color, which is cool. And this is the bottom. It has the little feet. So yeah, we're gonna give this a sound test, and I'll be right back. Guys, so I have the keyboard, and I will be doing a sound test. Alright, that sounds good. Spacebar. Alright guys, so yeah, it sounds really good. Sounds good, so then now we're gonna plug it in. This was my old keyboard. Now we're gonna plug it in and see how it looks, functions, and we're gonna see how it is. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is how it looks plugged in. Looks pretty nice. It does not start off at this mode, but kind of switched it to this mode. I got a little excited. But right here on the manual, it says some of it is in some other language, but some of it I'm trying to find. Okay, so in the thing right here, it says you can FNINS light mode switch. So if I do this, just click that, so it kind of changes the modes, like that. So yeah, and then the brightness reduction or increase. By the way, it is a 68% key, so I have 68. It's wired. So yeah, that's whatever you want to look at. So yeah, this is very nice. I like the keyboard. I would recommend it if you're on a budget. So this is good for under $30. There's also other colors. It will be linked in the description, so y'all can just go check that out. I got it from Amazon. Keycap holder, and then it comes with some extra keycaps, which is so great, because yeah. Well, that is it. I will see y'all in the next video. Please subscribe, share this video, and alright guys, see ya next video. Yo, what's good? So we are doing a test gameplay to see how the keyboard is. So we're gonna go into a 1v1 map, and we're gonna test how good the keyboard is. Now, I have it plugged in, so I don't know if y'all can hear it, but yes, it is plugged in, and we're gonna test it to see if it's worth it or not, and I will determine if it is. If it is, then this is officially the keyboard of the year, totally. But yeah, we're gonna see how good it is. Let's just load in, build a bit. I might be bad because I don't usually play on keyboard and mouse, but some games I do. Alright, so now we're gonna test it. Oh, thought about that. Alright, so we're gonna hit this. Ooh, I didn't know I can actually build like that. Oh, messed up. Oh, messed up. Ooh, I'm actually pretty. Ooh. Okay. So far, I think if you're really good at keyboard and mouse and you know how to build, then maybe this is good for you. But I am personally not a keyboard and mouse, but for some games, yes, like Apex or CS:GO or Valorant, like those games, yeah, those are actually like games that I could actually play on keyboard and mouse, and Overwatch. But like Fortnite, no, I use a PS4 controller or an Xbox, but I'm not really good at an Xbox. Speaking of PS4, keyboard and mouse, and Xbox controller, I will be doing a video testing how good I build with keyboard and mouse, PlayStation controller, and Xbox controller. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So yeah, I personally think I really like this keyboard. It's just so smooth, and also my mouse. I will be reviewing my mouse. I don't know if y'all. I don't think actually it was not in my setup tour. My latest one. I will be doing another setup tour later on once I officially get my things in. I have more things unboxing coming, so again, stay tuned for that. Yeah, so we're just gonna. So yeah, I really like this keyboard. It's actually really nice. Yeah, I would recommend it. If you have the money, then maybe try a different one, like a Red Dragon or something. But if you're looking for $30 and below, this is. I got it for 25. So if you're looking for $30 and below, this is a perfect keyboard for y'all. There's other colors, there's other different types, you know, switches. So I will be linking the keyboard that I got in the description, so y'all can check that out. Maybe copy it yourselves. And you know, yeah, that's pretty much it. I really like this keyboard. It sounds good. It plays good. It's really like just kind of my style. I really like the clicky types because the clicky types kind of gets me my mind kind of just like functions right and actually can type right without looking at the keyboard. So yes, I would recommend this, me personally. So yeah, just $25 for a really good keyboard. So yeah, if you really like this keyboard, it will be linked in the description. So just check that out. Like, subscribe, share this video. And yeah, I am back to uploading, so I will see y'all in the next unboxing.